What I never understand is, why is it that you tell people them say, go help me, you know you're not going to help me, and you ban them from help me. Kizzy, all the things that come up, say you have recording. You have recordings, you have this, you have that. You have recordings. Play them, Kizzy, make people in ear. Play recordings, and because you act like you have ammunition against us, and you don't. Play the recordings and let us hear. Because you say, no, I don't understand why your point. I mean, if I did grieve, you grieve for a miracle. You know I cry for that baby. You know my mother cry for that baby. You know we cry out for that baby. Eh? And your company make you look bad. Your post go viral. Make you look bad like we're some wicked people. And we're a wicked family, we're bad mind. We don't bad mind, Kizzy. We'll never bad mind or even hate you. We are doing it right. When the company will post something up on your wall, you're right. You're right, Kizzy. We are doing it right.
Okay, boom, viewers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not further from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you know the deal, my peeps. There's a lot we have to say, so let's just kick it off with Chrissy responding to Kizzy. As you know, they're family, and Kizzy just came out recently, said Chrissy and her mom's was marking the death of her daughter. We already know the history with that. Sad situation, premature birth, passed away 12 days later when she was in Colombia. And all of these stuff. You see, I say, at that time, we seen Kiprich baby moms come out and basically did a deal with Kizzy wickedly. You know what I mean? And this is why people is shocked amongst, you know, Chrissy, you know, because there's digital footprint of her defending her. But nevertheless, my people, Kiprich, brethren, they come out and tell the reason why there's a rift between the two and the distance. But before we get into that, let's continue to listen what Chrissy has to say about this whole ordeal, isn't it?
I defend you all the time. When none of the never could be, you never can defend me yet. No care make up on the media, you never can defend me yet. When anything happen to you, me run out and defend you. Me always there defend you. Whether anybody like it or not. I defend you all the time. You don't understand why you turn against me. When you say why you turn against me, I'm your mother and I try to make it look like say we wicked to you. None of us laughed at your child, Kizzy. That's why I ask myself if I this song you promote when you say I am slowly healing. But if you wonder if this song you promote at this point, I don't know what you think of your girl. It can be depression for choose. I say I don't know where this come from with her. Why at first the company level you say to the boss say you don't want certain things in the life and I should keep this quiet and I shouldn't talk about this on the live and then women come up on your media, on your platform. My mother and my sister laugh at my oh God, you know how messed up that is we still after your baby death. According to what you're saying. You know messed up that is Kizzy from the company they come to you and laugh at that miracle. No girl. Say you want to say, but don't tell a lie pan and we over here. Do what you want to do. I don't care what you want to do next. As we say to you, say, post up recordings because if you want to pick up on the media, go burn on your own bridge. Go burn on your own bridge because one thing me know for your fact is anything from that life, family is always the one going to be there for you. Family. Family are always the one for strengthen you. Family girl. So no care where you feel that now when you feel you can reach up as so right now on top of the world, you don't need nobody. So me come create something and the media forget like a cloud. I'm going through so much. I still not come back and call you no nasty name. I still not come back and act like say, you know, you're the wickedest person. I can say is I can only sympathize with what you're going through in regards to the passing of the baby. That's all.
Okay, people, so what's really going on between Kizzy and Chrissy? As you know, Kizzy come out and say she done help them financially and all of these things and told not really know the people in that screenshot, John. It's a say, but Kiprich brethren, Blacker, is saying something differently. He's saying that Chrissy bad mind the relationship that Kiprich have with Kizzy then. Say, I don't know if that's true. That is what Kiprich brethren is saying. You can take a look at the screenshot of his comment. Say, and he's saying that Chrissy never want, you know, this to happen because, you know, they about to get married or they're married already. It's them show the engagement ring and all of these good things. Say, and then me have a theory now. Because, you know, I don't buy what tea listers are selling and Chrissy can be in cahoots to work the social media thing to collect. You know what? Moolah, baby. Listen, man, I say, and you know all the things here. This could be one skit, one series, one big prank. You feel me? Because you know, say Kizzy over there say I promote song, and you know Chrissy right now is like the spokesperson of people when that man a touch them and all of them something. Me see my say, but me just they want for giving a quick update what go on for now, go on that aspect. Now before I end this chapter with Chrissy and Kizzy, Miss Chin name did mention on the live with Chrissy TV and Ride or Die Chick. They mentioned Miss Chin and now she has responded and she's talking about something about her lawyer contact her. So I don't know if she's planning on suing any of those parties. So let's take a listen.
Before I start, so yeah, anyway people, you know me about my business and I've been getting messages. Before I started talking about the messages, before I get messages, I realized say a lot of people been viewing out my page. I'm gonna say I'm gonna private my page. When I private my page, I realized I get a lot of friend requests. So I said, what is this now? Anyway, people, I have some pepper food, so my sinus kind of drink a bit. So anyway, I said, what is this? Anyway, people start sending me messages and I'd say, family feud and whatever. And, so my name start get called up. So yeah, the woman did run out in defense of her sister and her brother-in-law. This is me with a whole bag of allegations. You understand what I say? Even my lawyer reached out to me and said to
now, I just want to give a quick update on dancehall artist Masicka, the crux, Gennasyde. It's not a good look. People is seeing that them two nonsense because when gunshot did a ring out and, security tried to escort him off a stage, he remained on stage. As you know, there's no man made of steel, so master ladies, but nevertheless, the news is reporting it saying this is a political violence move, basically. You know what I mean? The time is very spicy right now. And Antigua elections is coming up in April 30th, just a few days from now. It's a mass, and just like with Jamaica elections in the 80s. You know what I mean? People is getting wild. And when wild shot a fire, you have to take away yourself. You see me? That's why the people that must say Masicka have to move more militant. But this is not going to affect him traveling or nothing like that. Unlike 450 Music, yeah, the promoter is saying he's given issues of handing over certain documents and now he's not performing in, Barbados, where we say Popcorn did a show down the place and all of this stuff. Yeah, and a lot of people is attributing it to the Jaii Frais thing. We already know what went down in Big Wall shooting and all of this stuff. The two men have been charged and them going to court. One man seems to be bailed out, and we're talking about popular YouTuber Jaii Frais, but me don't know about Jahvy. You see what I'm saying? I think that's why Jaii Frais is out here taunting Jahvy by making posts like, it's 9 o'clock, are you home? Problems in the comment section, you see me? You see what I say? But like I said, it's up to a judge to decide who's guilty or not. This is not being trial by no jury, it's just a judge. And we just have to wait for the outcome. The trial starts July 8th for Jaii Frais. I'm not too sure about Jahvy, but me just let you know what go on for not to go on, you see me? Also, don't forget to check out these next suggested videos that you see on the screen. In the meantime, you see what I say. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so and turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.